Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm just going to show you what comes in the kit, the Grinch kit, Stank Stunk 2020. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, these are the 2 pages that you will be making with your kit. If you don't have a kit yet, go ahead and click on that link below, and you can pick yours up today if it's not sold out. If it is sold out, feel free to message me and I'll let you know when it'll be coming back in stock. Okay, so in your kit, you're going to find 2 sheets that have instructions. I offer the full color step-by-step instructions. And there's also videos on my YouTube channel of doing different paper piecings from this kit as well. And this is, yeah, I already said the Grinch. ND number 3. And then on the back of this, you just see some larger images. If you don't have access to watch those videos, you have the images right in front of you as you're putting it together. And I encourage you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications so you can be alerted every time there's a new video release. So in your kit, you're going to receive 2 12x12 solid black cardstocks and 2 pieces of the decorative background paper. This will need to be trimmed down a little bit. That's in your instructions on what you need to do. I also have an assembly video on my channel as well. So if you pick up your kit, go ahead and sit back and watch that video and put your kit together along with me. So everything is separated out for easy assembly. So you have the different baggies for each set of images that you will get. So that's these right here. This is a 3x4 baggie, so anything that fits in there goes in the bags. Anything that is larger will be loose in your kit, so such as your titles. These are all in here. This kit has a lot of pieces, so there's quite a bit that you will receive. These are just all the base pieces. And then, of course, your photo mats are already cut for you as well. Now, you're not confined to these. If you have different size pictures or different orientations that you would like to do, feel free to mix it up and create your own design as you wish. And thank you so much for checking out this video today. I hope you pick up this kit. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that link below. And please click the like button if you like this video. And thanks so much for watching and have a great day.